You gotta change out the air governor on this Freightliner. And that's this piece right here. And all this does is help limit the amount of air that goes into the air tanks for the brakes. And this is a air compressor, which is gear driven by the engine. It pumps, it's like an air pump. So it's pretty simple. There's this line, air line, and this air line, and 2 bolts. Here's a new one, came with plugs. So plugs you had to plug off so I don't leak air. So I took that line off. Now I need this fitting. And drop the socket. Just take that out. Let's repeat that process for that other line, the other bolt. A lot of times running this stuff like this, there's like 3 different size nuts and bolts and crap, so you gotta put a wrench on one thing and hold it, or otherwise this tear up this air line. That air fitting actually came out easily. So I just gotta take out this fitting, put it on the new one, take out that bolt and swap her out. And you're running the stuff like this where there's stuff stuck into places where it's stupid to get it out. So that's why we made vice grips. Sorry about the super shaky camera-ness. Need to get like a GoPro for my head or some crap. Fun to be doing this. Just put a little pipe dough on there. Put the new one on. And don't forget to change the gasket. After you finish tightening it down all the way. Got the new one on, everything's tight. I'll get up in this beast and see if it's working. I drained the air tanks. I don't think I had to, but I drained them anyway. Just because I don't want air blowing in my face. Fix that too. It's working. So, and that's how you do that.